black devilfish, a creature of the deep, has surfaced near Tenerife, leaving scientists baffled. Why would this anglerfish, adapted to crushing depths, venture into shallow waters? Illness? Disorientation? Or perhaps it's fleeing an unseen predator? This rare sighting raises alarms about our oceans. Could climate change or pollution be disrupting marine ecosystems? Meanwhile, the Sarandi River in Argentina has turned blood red, shocking locals and hinting at industrial contamination. This isn't an isolated incident. Rivers across the globe have faced similar fates due to toxic waste. Are we witnessing a modern-day plague? And then there are the blood-red skies over Spain, a striking result of Saharan dust storms. While stunning, these events worsen air quality and signal broader environmental shifts. These occurrences may seem bizarre, but they're warning signs. Our planet is changing, and it's time we take notice. Are these rare phenomena, or are they harbingers of something larger?